Okay, so today I decided to switch things up a bit and bring you something fresh and exciting. You know how we do it once in a while on here on Ebonyi People TV, exploring new ideas and opportunities. And trust me, you're going to love this one. In today's video, we are diving into what you can invest with a whooping 50 million naira and above right here in Enugu State and even in Ebonyi State. But our main focus is on Enugu State. Let's get into it because the potential here is mind-blowing. 1. A proper gym center. You all, I've been screaming about this for a while now. Enugu State is in desperate need of a proper modern gym. I mean, think of something along the lines of iFitness, if not the biggest gym centers in Nigeria. They give that kind of premium experience you cannot get elsewhere. Somehow, I wish they could come down to Enugu State as well as even Ebonyi State. Right now, the gym scene here is underwhelming, and let's face it, fitness is becoming a lifestyle for many people. If you have the resources to pull this off, just go for it. Build a state-of-the-art gym center, and trust me, people will flock it like bees to honey. 2. A water park for adults and kids. Now, this one is a no-brainer. Can we agree that Enugu State doesn't have a standard water park? Not even in Ebonyi State. Families need a cool spot to hang out and make memories. Picture something like the parks in Lagos, Delta, or even Abuja. Slides, pools, picnic areas, the whole vibe. And it's not just for Enugu. This would be a hit across the entire southeast. The buzz alone would attract tourists, school groups, and everyone looking for fun. 3. A Zipline Center. A Zipline Center is a place where people can go ziplining, which is an adventurous activity that involves sliding down a cable from a high point. Okay, hear me out. Enugu literally means hills, right? And it has this amazing terrain that is just begging for adventure. Activities like a zipline center. Imagine the adrenaline rush. People would travel from neighboring states just to try this out. It's not just a business, it's a tourist magnet. Adventure tourism is big money these days, so if you're thinking of something unique, this is just it. 4. Event center with multiple halls. Now, here's a game changer. Enugu State needs a modern event center. Picture this, a multi-story building with halls of different sizes. For example, the top floor seats 50 people for intimate events, the next floor holds 100 for mid-sized gatherings, then the third floor accommodates 200 for larger events, and the ground floor, it's the main hall with space for 500 or even more. Right now, there's barely anything like this in Enugu State and even in Abakaliki. The only place that comes close is Holy Ghost, and it's long overdue for an upgrade. If you invest in something like this, you will be fully booked all year round. Weddings, birthdays, conferences, the demand is just so endless. 5. Old people's home. This one is close to my heart. With so many Nigerians relocating abroad, a lot of elderly parents are left without proper care. Imagine setting up a very beautiful, comfortable care home for the elderly. Families could rest easily, knowing their loved ones are in good hands. It might not seem like a big deal now, but mark my words, this will be a good mine in the next few years to come. 6. Fashion design houses. Okay, fashionistas and designers in the house, listen up. This idea is a gem. Imagine a co-working space for tailors, a place where upcoming designers can rent machines, equipment, or even workspace. Tailors also don't have the resources to buy their own equipment, can simply subscribe monthly or yearly. It's like a shared office, both for fashion creatives. You'll be solving a huge problem and creating opportunities for so many people. Trust me, this is a winning idea. 7. Affordable bunker homes for low-income earners. Now, this one is for everyone. Imagine building small, affordable house for low-income earners. Something like bunk beds where hawkers, barrel pushers, or even people in rental crisis can rent a space daily, weekly, or monthly. It's all about giving people a safe place to rest their heads without breaking the bank, right? Yes, it will take proper management to run, but with the right structure, it's 100% doable. This idea is both impactful and profitable. So, why choose Enugu or even Ebonyi State? Having lived in Enugu for a couple of years now and see how businesses operate, and even in Ebonyi State, I can confidently say these gaps exist. These are real opportunities for investors ready to make a difference. The city is really growing, the people are hungry for new experiences, and anyone bold enough to fill these gaps will definitely reap the rewards. This is not financial advice. Quick disclaimer. Okay, now, here is a quick disclaimer. This is not a financial advice. Before you dive in, please do your own research, speak to experts, and make sure the numbers make sense for you. Now, I've shared my ideas, but I want to hear from you. Which of these business opportunities caught your eye? Do you think they'll work, or do you have even better ideas for Enugu State and Ebonyi State? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if you want me to do a similar breakdown for other southeastern states, let me know in the comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates and opportunities just like this one. I'm still Faith Kalu, and this is Ebonyi People TV.